Alright, so I am done with the harness on the playfield side. And now I am building the harness that goes to the head side. Started with the white coated wires. These are the rows you can see. And basically what I did was made a mapping of the actual connector and where everything was on the playfield side, and just for my own sake, a map of where it goes if you're looking at it from the head connector. And then finally, as each one was finished, I checked it off. So this is all the proper color-coded ones on the head side. So it's going to go from this connector into the Cobra pin. Could also be going into a APC board, a LYSI. There's a couple of options here. But in this case, it's going to go to a Cobra pin.